Hey guys, so the Defender is in the garage. I have an issue with my steering box. It's leaking somewhere, so I'm gonna check that. I also pre-ordered a seal kit so I can do the whole thing. I actually got a hand of a second-hand one that also is leaking, but it's out of the car, so I'm gonna get that, try to fix it with the seal kit, and then just replace the one that's in the Defender, so I can fix it before I start taking out the other one. But first I'm gonna check all the hoses, check the seals, and check if it's not the steering box. So hopefully, luckily it's not the steering box, but I think it is. So it started leaking like the first winter trip. But after the winter overland trip, it's just totally made a mess of my driveway. So it's something is leaking really bad. Starting to fix my a leak on the steering, so I don't know where it comes from. So I just started removing some parts to get a better look, and I'm gonna clean it with some brake cleaner. So I removed the fan and fan belt. I had to create my own tool for removing the fan. So just two plates mounted on the two of the three bolts that holds the pulley wheel. The plates will hit the other pulley wheel, and then I will hold there. Removing the one bolt so I can get access with the tools to get the nut off. This is the steering pump wheel, and also you can see the leakage coming from here. So I think it's either the connection pipe or is some seals in the actual pump, because this leak is coming from above. So I'm gonna try and clean it up and see if I can find the leakage. Okay, so the steering pump pulley wheel was too much in the way, so I have loosened them by using 10mm and using the screwdriver to counter the momentum, and they came loose pretty easy. So I'm gonna remove the pulley wheel to get more access so we can see where the leakage is coming from. So I've been cleaning the steering pump and the hoses that goes from it into the steering box. And after I clean it, you can see on the pump itself, see there. So after I clean it and dried it up, the oil is leaking from the seal on the steering pump. So I'm gonna go inside and check the prices for a new steering pump, or if I'm gonna buy a kit or just the seal, and check if it's not too expensive. I'm gonna buy a new pump, because it's just much easier to just fit a new one, and I know that that's gonna be good. So hopefully I can get the steering pump in a couple of days, and then just replace it, and it's all good, ready to go on the next trip.